Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Right next to me we have a beautiful 1957 Thunderbird with two tops, a 312 cold air, power steering, and Kelsey Hayes wheels. If you want to find out full details, click on the link below. That's going to give you complete underside shots, a full gallery, and this awesome video. Let's do it. Overall condition, I'd rate this a 7 out of 10. It shows extremely well. The white paint is even throughout, but there are minor imperfections due to its age. This came out of a collection, and what we did is we sent it to Brad's Automotive. They did all the fluids, replaced the carburetor with an electronic choke carburetor now, and just did a quick once-over in regards to the vehicle, along with an air condition update. It's ready to go. You guys can jump in it and enjoy it. It's very, very peppy with the 312. Let's do a complete walk around right now. So all of your body panels are very straight. The frame looks great as well. Underside components are very nice. When you look down here, there's no rot, there's no bubbling. It's very clean. All of your bright work and chrome throughout where the Thunderbird insignia is and all your vents, beautiful. These are real Kelsey Hayes wheels, and it's rolling on a set of white wall Firestone tires. Tires look like they're brand new, but I don't know the date code, so in the gallery we'll have a picture of it most likely. Front grille is very nice. A little bit of oxidation on the front end right here. Small little pinch on this, and then the Thunderbird insignia where the aqua is starting to show its age. This is definitely an original badge. Upgraded Sylvania headlights. Front nose looks good. Underneath it is very clean as well, so if you want to see that, click on the link below. Driver's side fender is very nice. I did notice small stress fractures on the paint over here, so I'm sorry that I'm going all over the place, but there's a small stress fracture in the paint right here. Here as well, and then a rub mark right here. A small chip on the hood here as well. Another little rock chip, but otherwise it presents very well. I do see a little bit of edginess is what I'm going to use for wording right here. But overall, very nice. Minor imperfections. Door opens up easily. Your door cards are very nice, and your interior is very nice. You do have an additional top in here. So we have a gallery shot of that. So if you click on the link below, they're gonna have a full gallery, underside shots, as I said before, and then the top on and off, and with the soft top up as well. Steering wheel is very nice. Horn works. Seats are nice as well, and they match the door cards. A little bit of wear on this portion right here, but I want you to look inside the door jambs. They did spray some of the buttons in the actual mechanism, so you can see that it has been repainted. Right here is very nice as well. Door closes nicely. I love this part of a hardtop, the porthole. Rear bumper quality is, I'd say, like a car show quality. It's not concourse, but it shows very well. I love how the exhaust comes out the back. Small imperfection right here on the trunk, and that's why we give it this 7 out of 10 rating. So it's a 70%. Taillights are my favorite because it looks like a turbine. The insignia for the Thunderbird back here is beautiful. You have your keyhole, and I'll open it up for you. So I do have a lot of documentation. You're gonna see that in the gallery, so if you click on it, you'll see everything. This is for car shows if you wanna bring it out. I'll cover the original owner's name, but it's a 225 horsepower 312, and it's the last year for the two-seater Thunderbird, which obviously is true. Also, additional information, it's a 2-speed 4-automatic transmission. It's pleated colonial vinyl on the interior and then colonial white paint on the exterior. It does have the vintage trunk mat, which you can see right here. Dual exhausts and the original Town & Country AM radio with a telescoping steering wheel, which is nice if you're a bigger guy or girl, whatever. Rear quarters, very nice. You do have the fender covers. A little bit of wear on this portion right here. Gas filler is very nice. Passenger side door opens up nicely. It's missing a piece of rubber right here. And this is how the door lock actually works, which is pretty neat. Door card has a little bit of oxidation or wear. And then if you look at the seats, very nice, lots of leg room. Cold air as well. Let me pop the hood for you, and I'll show you the power plant. One second. Just pop the hood. Doors sound great when they close. Here's the 312. You can see your vintage air compressor right there. Ignition was gone through, new spark plugs, oil, basically a LOF, lube oil filter. Filter on this right now is the one that we received the vehicle with, but I do have a new filter that does come with it. It does have an upgraded fan. Belts are new. Battery is from 2022, so it's nice. And then you have your trim tag right here. So it's going to have your body, which is a 4.0, color, XE, trim, XK, and then your production information. Under here is very nice. It's a nice one. Nice driver. Let me start it up real quick while we're outside so you can hear the exhaust, and then we'll take it for a spin. Sometimes you have to, do you have to put it in neutral to start it? Okay, so the parking switch is going bad on it. So in order to start it, you have to put it in neutral, and then it starts up like that every time. I just put it back in park. So that's one quirky thing about this one, you have to put it in neutral to start it. Very nice sound. No smoke, no hesitation, the carburetor feels great. Let's jump in it and take it for a test drive and let you guys decide if you want to put this in your garage. If you enjoy this content, please be sure to like and subscribe. It's exhausting. We're taking this beautiful 57 out for a test drive. I want to go over some of the features inside. So all the gauges are operating. The fuel gauge is working, our speedometer is working, our temperature gauge is working, our clock is working, and our tachometer is working as well. It does have the town and country radio. When I flip the switch, I'm not hearing anything come out of it. Your lights, your interior lights for the center section is not operational. You're going to hear some squeaking from the convertible top, but the top does seal up nicely. I'm 6 foot, 220 pounds. And the really cool feature is you do have a telescoping wheel, so you unravel this and you can actually move it back and forth. Probably shouldn't do that when you're driving. Let me tighten this. Lights work as they should. Wipers operate. We're getting on a Marina Mile right now. Let's test out the lights. Lights are operating. Turn signals work as well. Radio, as I said, does not operate. Air condition. So we've got a two-top car with cold air condition, and it blows ice cold, new compressor. We had this completely serviced. In regards to drivability right now, we're going 40 miles per hour at 1,500 RPMs with no issues. Plenty of pep. The portholes are just amazing because you can actually see what's going on. If it was closed off, it makes it a little bit difficult to drive. I have about 2.5 inches of room, and I'm 6 foot, which is nice. Our wipers operate as they should too, so the wipers work. Turn them off. Just a really smooth driver. Going 45 miles an hour right now. Very, very comfortable. Brakes are very easy as well, so you can tap on them. They're not jarring, they're not soft. Interior is very comfortable. Headliner is nice on the top. And then if you want to see actual photos of the soft top, just take a look at our gallery, you'll see them there. We also have an aftermarket temperature gauge, and right now we're at 170 degrees. It's a beautiful 70 degrees here in Florida today. This thing runs out really, really nice. Very, very beautiful inside. Horn works. Let's do a turnaround and then we'll test out the acceleration of this 312 with the 2-speed transmission. Once again, if you have any questions, give us a call at 954-363-2261. We'll be able to assist you. Also, if you want to find out if this vehicle is available, click on the link below. That's going to bring you to our site and it'll showcase if it's going to auction or if we have it listed for sale, or if it's sold, it'll say sold in the corner. Every single vehicle we have gets a video like this. So you guys, if you enjoy this content, please be sure to like and subscribe, because that's going to bring you more great classic cars, niche market cars, exotics, the whole 9 yards. We list up 5 new vehicles a week. So if you guys have something to sell, we need to fill that inventory up as well. We're headed back east on State Road 84, or Marina Mile. Very smooth. Let's test out the acceleration. Not bad at all. Brakes are even as well. I'm pushing the brakes right now so the camera truck can show up. Plenty of passing power. Everybody's honking at us as we drive it. It's not all over the place. Suspension feels good. No funny sounds from the suspension. It's a good runner. We're at looks like 177 degrees right now on temperature. See a little temp gauge right here. This is a fun one if you want to have something for the weekend, or you could, honestly, this is one of those cars that you could drive every day if you put the air condition on. I know the Town and Country radio is a very nice option. Also the Kelsey Hayes wheels that it has. Those are real. Those are not knockoffs. We're taking a right here. This is where we test out the suspension. We're going to go over some bumps so you can see how it reacts. There's 2 individual bumps and then we'll go over a big dip. We're cruising at around 30 miles per hour right now. Steering's tight too. Here come the bumps and then the big dip. And I don't think our outside shot got it, but that's okay. Here comes some more bumps. Smooth. If you guys have any questions, give us a call, 954-363-2261. I'm out of here.